Guys, we are on the station. ऐसे डरो मत तो। अरे बहुत पानी है। Guys, we are off to Ayodhya because हम बहुत दिन से घूमने कहीं भी नहीं गए थे and पापा आ रहे हैं पीछे से।
What are you doing, beta?
I am trying to make a vlog.
Oh, very good. Keep it up.
Thank you. Guys, if you need any encouragement, you can contact my father. Only on camera. Hello everyone, I am Arushi and I am giving this vlog a voiceover because I shot a vlog in public for the very first time and so I couldn't speak. Also overcoming the social awkwardness a little slow. So let's just get started. So I saw a post where it was written you only have to take 1 day leave, that is on 14th August, and as I haven't been to a vacation for so long, so my father had to say yes for this one. First I went to my nanny's place and then from there we took train to Ayodhya. I was already feeling so good in train. I mean, train journeys are the best, especially at nights. It took us 7 hours to reach Ayodhya. We first visited one of our relatives there and then checked in our hotel. We reached hotel at around in the evening, I guess, and we were very tired. So first everyone took rest for some time till the time I shot a little room tour of one of our rooms. The room was nice with a cute balcony, but the question is, wherever I've traveled, almost at every hotel, their TV isn't working. I mean, who watches TV? But still, hello, why isn't it working? Anyways, after that, we got ready and went to Saryu Ghat. At this ghat, Ramji took Samadhi and the river, when I saw, like, damn, it was so big, like we could only see water all around us. Also, we went at night, which was a really bad timing, so we couldn't see water and sky. What I'm trying to say is we sat on a boat to go on a boat ride, but after a few minutes we were in the water and everything was so dark that we couldn't figure out till where is water and from where it's sky. I don't know, I'm making sense, but
जितना कम पानी रहता है वो तब वो इस रहता है और गहरा पानी चलना है। अरे मैं कहाँ ले जाओ यार, लेके चलो भाई, डर लगा। अरे पापा आएंगे ना, पापा को अच्छा लगता है पानी ऐसे डरो मत तो। अरे बहुत पानी है। अरे ऐसे देख ले। Okay, plus our boat ran out of the fuel in the midway, which was wow. Okay, so after coming from that boat ride, we tried some local street food there, which were amazing, and then we headed to a cafe because our tummies were not full. इसमें क्या क्या पड़ा हुआ है? Okay, so after that we came back to our rooms, and if you've come so far, that means you liked it. That's the end of the video. Part 2 of this video will come soon. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Okay, bye.
I look at you and it's easy to see you are that someone I've been trying to meet.